Welcome to the installation video of the Berwick Europa Profiling Bed. Having removed the outer packaging, unscrew the locking pins to release the bed base from the transport frame, taking care to put the hand wheels somewhere safe. Lift the bed base parts straight up, placing them conveniently to one side. Move the remaining parts into the area where you intend to assemble the bed, ensuring the brakes are engaged. Release the two red safety catches from both sides to separate the end boards from the transport trolley. Place the headboard on its back. Take the head section of the bed base and slide it onto the headboard and ensure the lock is twisted into place. Slide the foot section of the bed base onto the head section. Secure these sections together using the extra long hand wheels. Now tighten the hex head screws for final security. Carefully lower the frame to the floor. Position the footboard, lift the frame and connect together. Ensure that the lock is twisted into place. Plug the motors into the main hub, ensuring that the numbers on the plugs match the numbers on the sockets. Plug the bed into the mains and go through the handset to ensure all the functions operate correctly. To install the side rails, slide the black pins all the way to the top of the aluminium channel. Place the end caps over the ends of the side rails. You're now ready to offer the rails, ensuring you select the lower two holes. Secure the rails by inserting the locking nut into the end of the aluminium channel. Repeat the process for the other end of the rails, using two hands to slide the rails up and into place. Your bed is now ready to use, designed to give you and your service users many years of service.